For well over 100 years, House-Hasson has been finding ways to help hardware stores. One way to help stores is to help them get customer calls. More calls means more customers that buy more products, creating more revenues. Here's a new way to get more customer calls. You've heard of 800-Flowers, right? When customers need flowers, they call 1-800-Flowers. This is similar, but this is for customers who want to buy repair parts, repair tools, repair hardware. Anything to do with repairs, they call 1-800-REPAIRS. Let me tell you why this works. You've heard 800-REPAIRS one time. You're going to remember it, right? So will your customers. And as you know, customers that's looking for repair parts or tools usually want to call and talk to someone, but there's a problem. To find your store's number, they have to search online, where they also find all of your competitors and worse, one of the online giants. 800-REPAIRS is a solution to this problem, and most importantly, this will give your store something that your competitors don't have and something that the online giants don't have. This is how it works. Customers call 1-800-REPAIRS, they enter their zip code, and the call rings directly to your store and only your store. The 800-REPAIRS call routing system only allows one store per area, and they receive all the calls. For right now, this is only being offered to House-Hasson locations so they can lock up their area before the other hardware stores do. This is what it costs. There's usually a $149 programming fee. This has been waived for all the House-Hasson locations. There's a monthly telephone fee of $49 per month, but for House-Hasson locations, it's only $29 a month. Oh, and no additional lines are required. Calls ring right to your existing store's phone. Everything is on a simple month-to-month basis and just billed right to your House-Hasson account. And for House-Hasson locations, the first month is free. Now this is important. Only one store can be programmed per area, and areas are being granted on a first-come, first-served basis. If you want your area, just go to 1-800-REPAIRS.com and click the hardware button on the top. You can also see examples of how it works for other stores. Just go to 1-800-REPAIRS.com. One last thing, for all the stores that are able to get their area, we'll be at the January convention and having a seminar to show you ways to get the most from 800-REPAIRS. So take a minute, go to 800repairs.com, click the hardware store button, and let us know you want to lock up the area. And thank you for being a House-Hasson location. I hope to see you in January.